Hey, what's up? Welcome to another episode with the Good Deal Guy. I want to show you guys this real quick live. That's why I put on the screen. If you ever buy a camera for the house, this is what you want to buy. I'm going to show you guys real quick what it does. Just bear with me. You see, the minute I pull in my driveway, I got a notification that there's a vehicle. Okay. And then the minute I get out of the car, it actually says there was a person. Now watch this one. That was for my Tapo wireless camera. I'm going to go back. And I'm going to go to my wireless doorbell camera. Check this one. That's my doorbell camera. Person was elected. See, this is why I like these cameras. It will let you know if there's a person in your driveway. It will let you know if there's a vehicle in your driveway. It'll let you know if there's anything walking by or comes to your property. I'm going to leave you guys the link for both of them. I'm going to leave you guys the link for my wireless cameras. I'm also going to leave you the link for my wireless doorbell cameras. They're the best ones you can get for your home. You know, if you're going to go buy a camera or if you're going to buy a doorbell camera, you might as well buy a good one the first time. Let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.